Oh yeah, she turns nice, huh?
Yeah, she's not bad at all, man. A little better than Freon, but not the dagger.
No, you're not gonna beat the dagger.
Nope.
Good morning. Today, John and I are on the Cashie River. John is testing out a new to him boat. It is a current designs Kestrel 14 and a half. The dagger he was referencing is one of his other boats. It's a Dagger Blackwater 11 and a half foot boat. And it's a great boat. It turns really well. It has a skeg to keep it straight. It's a durable boat. It's wide, it's stable, but it just doesn't do great for long distances. It has one gear compartment. It's a crossover. It's a day trip boat. But he's testing out some other boats in the 14 and a half foot range to see what he really likes. As well as testing out a new boat, we are also headed upstream to rendezvous with some fellow paddlers that I've met through this channel, which is pretty amazing, and I'll discuss that for sure in a later date. So here we are on the Kashai, going up to meet some friends and test out some boats. The gentleman that we're meeting upstream is also named John, and he's with his two friends, Fran and Jim. John and I have been communicating through the channel for a while now, and we finally got the opportunity to meet in person. and on the water, which is perfect. So we're heading upstream. We're gonna see if we can intercept Jon and crew. We'll get back to you when we do.
Hello, Tim.
Hey, Jon.
And are you with Jon?
I am with Jon.
Good.
Hello, Jon.
Jon, not a lot of people have this name, just the good ones. Gentlemen, good to see you.
Yeah.
I do, I mean, I'm an old fart, okay, so I kind of need something with some width to get my big fat ass in and out of it. But yeah, I like it. It doesn't cut through the water that fast.
I've got a.
You put us on the jackass wheel!
A what? I'm sorry.
a Freon.
Okay, how do you like that?
I like my Freon.
So Jon, how old is your current design?
What's that?
How old is the boat you're in, the current design?
Oh, I have no idea, man. I just bought this boat on Saturday. So
Got it.
this is a marketplace refurb boat. I've got a 16-year-old. I saw an osprey on the front of his boat. Is that an osprey?
Kestrel.
Kestrel. Oh, Kestrel. Oh, that's pretty.
Looks like Chicken in the Woods. Oh, we gotta go check that out.
Pale chicken in the woods. I'm used to the bright orange ones. Perfect.
He's sauteing some mushrooms and
Get
some
this
butter
on film
with
for when I go swimming.
Oh, the camera's on.
Yeah, I look mine forward to.
Camera is always on when somebody's getting in and out of the boat. I learned that from my friend Pete Beck.
Oh. Yeah, I'm confused now. Can you tell?
There we go.
It's a nice hat. You look great.
You look great, man. This is awesome.
Turn your head. Yeah, that's mini pearl. Still got the sticker on it.
These guys were great. We told a few jokes, shared a few stories, got to know each other better, and just enjoyed this beautiful place. When I started this channel, I expected little in return, mostly just some videos to preserve memories for later on in life. I did not foresee it being a mechanism for forging friendships, but it is. And this was the day I realized that. Thank you, John. Thank you, Fran. Thank you, Jim.